Hey everyone, Merry Christmas. I hope you're all having a good time in the silly season. Just a quick video to let you know of a little giveaway I'm doing. I've tried to do this a few weeks ago, but I've been so busy. So we're cramming this one in just before Christmas. What I'm going to be doing is giving away this week two $100 Visa gift cards you can use anywhere to two lucky subscribers. So last couple of years I've tried to do a Christmas giveaway and I've given away dash cams, and the feedback I got from some people was that they already had dash cams or they don't drive but they are still loyal subscribers, so would like to be able to win something. So this year I've decided rather than giving away a dash cam, I'm going to give away some cash in the form of a prepaid Visa card. So all you have to do to win it, I'm going to be giving two away, is watch Wednesday's video and leave a comment saying Merry Christmas to Scott. Anywhere in your comments at all. The only criteria is you have to be a subscriber and you have to write the comment. Now, those who may have seen in the past how I picked them, in order for it to be a fair draw, there's a website that you can use where you place the link of your YouTube video into it, and it randomly goes through and selects a comment, and that is how I'm going to do the draw. So I'm going to pick out two comments from Wednesday's video, and those lucky comments, the commenters will be contacted and told that they are the lucky winners. I will give everyone a couple of days in order to watch the video and leave a comment. Then I'll do the draw and make a little announcement video on Friday to let everyone know who the winners are. And I'll get your info and post them out to you, and hopefully you'll have an extra $100 just before Christmas to go and buy a gift. So thanks everyone for all the support, everyone sending videos in. I've got quite a backlog, so many bad drivers lately. I'm getting through everything as quickly as I can and trying to post all your videos as quickly as I can, and we'll keep chipping away, trying to put out as many videos in Wednesday and Sunday's compilations as I can. So have a great Christmas, stay safe out there, and good luck to everyone to win the Christmas giveaway.